Hi there and welcome. So this is the Queenbee demo and tutorials. So bookkeeping, you've heard a lot of teachings about bookkeeping. You've been taught about bookkeeping and all that. I'm here to just show you how to use the bookkeeping application. I'm here to teach you how to use the bookkeeping application in your Queenbee account, right? So before now, if you've not checked out our videos on how to get apps from the app market to your app manager, go check out those videos before you come here so you understand fully well. So I've done all that. I've gotten the bookkeeping application amongst other apps. I'm about to use the bookkeeping app. So I will just go ahead and click on this launch app button, and the bookkeeping app launches in a new tab, and you see the application, and I'm able to use it. Typically, what I want to do with this bookkeeping app is I really want to save all the items I'm selling or the items I have for sale. I want to record my sales, I want to record my expenses, I want to record the assets I have in my business. So I'm able to do all that with this bookkeeping app. First, I can list the inventory of products that I have, and I say, this is the product I have. I'm selling sugar, and I'm giving the sugar a category. I'm saying FMCG, for instance, and I just enter, I'm selling the sugar in packs. So I put that. And how many packs do I have? Right now, I have 200 packs, right? If it's something that is not quantifiable, you put it's not applicable. So I put that, okay, so it costs this, but I want to sell at 3,000. Okay. And you just go ahead and put everything that you need. Select tax method. If tax is included, you put the task and say 7.5 task is there. There's no department. I just when it gets to 5, let me know so I can restock. And yeah, so I'm done creating this product, and you can see sugar. It shows up here, and everything I want there. Okay, so I can do the same thing if I have services that I'm rendering to customers. I can list the service, and I say service I render is home service. Maybe I go to your house to render my service, and I say VIP as a category, and the base charge is 5,000, but I really want to tell the customer 7,000 first, but if the price, I will not go lower than 5,000. So I'm done. I've added this home service to my service. So I can add a list of many services that I offer. And so for assets, I can list all the assets I have in my business and say I have a standby generator, for instance, standby. Let me spell the word standby generator, and I'm going to put it as under power category. And I say I bought this generator for 200,000, and it is 1. And let me say, according to mathematics, there's 5% depreciation on this item. This is for internal utility. I'm not sharing it. When did I buy it? I bought it 30th of last month. So I'm adding it. So I just list all the items I have in my business, and they show there. So you can see my service, right? You can see my services, you can see my assets, right? And total values here, and you can see the products that I have for sale here. Now, after listing this, if I want to sell the products, I come to sales, I click on products. Somebody comes in and wants to buy sugar. Wants to buy sugar, I select and say sugar, and sugar is in packs, and you want to buy 1 item. So that's 3,000, right? And next, I sell that, and how you paying cash, pay or transfer? The person gives me cash. I record cash. Okay, this person is not paying now. I'm going to click on pay later, right? But now the person has paid. I'm completing my sale, and if I'm connected to my receipts machine, I just click on get receipt, and the receipt prints out, and I give the customer, right? So this is done. Let me record a sale that doesn't give me money immediately, right? So this, I'm selling sugar, 2 is in packs, and 3 packs. I'm selling 3 packs of sugar. 3 packs of sugar is 9,000. Next, the person has not paid me money yet. The person found out that his ATM is not working. before the person comes, I have to mix another sale. So I have to put it on pending. So I click on pay later, it's showing pending. When the person comes, I come here, I confirm payment. How did the person pay me? Cash. And I complete my sale, get receipts, and done. It's completed. So that's how I make every sale. If it's a service, I want to record the service. Somebody comes and wants home delivery. I come to new service. I take the person's name. I can enter it. Take the person's name. If this person comes back later, phone number, email, or I just skip. So next, order by this person. I select the service, home service, and this is my base price. So I just tell the person 7,000 and person says 6,000 and I sell for 6,000. Can I edit it? And 6,000 is what he pays me. And he pays me through POS and complete my sale. I go to the job and I've recorded it. So on and on and on, this is what I use to record everything. So nothing's left out. Also, when I spend things for my business, I also come to record it here. So if I spend money for, if I throw away my refuse and I put refuse disposal, and I paid 2,000, and I come here, I see it's under waste management category, and government, let me say, and what's that, Loma. So because by Loma, I want to add a note and say I paid 500 naira more than last month. I put it there. Anything on the put that you want to remember something that happened during that period, you put it as a note, right? And I record all my expenses of that time. So that's what happens. And at the end of the month, I come to my report and I'm able to see how much I made, the total cost of the items, and then how much is my gross expenses, that's gross minus expenses, and I get my nets. I say, oh, I'm in profit. Okay. So that's how it is. That's how we do the bookkeeping. Simplify this for your business. If ever your business is more complex and you need extra settings, reach out to us and we'll let you know, we'll contact you and we'll make that possible for you so that you can carry out your bookkeeping, record everything, serve your clients faster, and give them a great experience.